Welcome to the Rosen.com Separation Agreement course. In this course, we will break down everything you need to know about separation agreements and how to work together with your spouse to create an agreement that protects you, your children, and your assets. Let's start with what is a separation agreement. A separation agreement is a private contract between you and your spouse that can address issues like child custody, schedules and other custody-related terms, child support, spousal support or alimony, how to divide assets and debts, as well as many other issues that may need to be addressed between a couple who is getting ready to separate or is already separated. Since a separation agreement is a private contract, it does not need to be filed or recorded nor made public. A separation agreement does not ever need to be approved by a judge or acknowledged in any capacity by the court or filed at the Register of Deeds. You have ultimate control over whatever terms you and your spouse decide to include in your agreement, and as long as you both agree, you can divide property, make decisions about issues like custody, alimony, and child support as you see fit within your own separation agreement. As you move forward in the course, keep in mind you can use the menu for this course to navigate to specific topic areas. But if you are learning about separation agreements for the first time, we strongly recommend that you listen through the course in its entirety so you have a better understanding of the ins and outs of separation agreements.